Okay. So in this session, we will discuss about database backup. Okay. So here, database backup means what is the purpose of database backup? First of all, suppose this is the D6 is the current database. Okay. Without database backup, what will happen? I will tell you. By mistakenly, you may have deleted any one of the table. Then how can you retrieve that table data? Okay. See this. I want to delete the employee table where department number equal to 10. Okay. Instead of executing this entire query, sometimes developer will do the mistakes. They will execute the delete query without where condition. Then what will happen? The entire data will gone. Okay. And sometimes database will be hanged out. Database will be struck. In that cases, so application will not work. So to avoid such kind of situations, every database developer will do the backup daily or weekly, depends upon the requirement. Okay. If you have the database backup which is recently, that means every day if you take the backup of database at night, midnight or morning, early morning, then on whole day if any database is struck, then immediately you can restore that database and you can put that database in live instead of struck database. Okay, so that is the purpose of backup the database. And here, if you execute this query without where condition, then data will be gone. If you have the recent database backup, then you can restore that database and you can get the deleted employee data. Okay. So now I will see how to do the database backup. Go to the server and data export. In this, click on export to self-contained file and here select the database which is to be backup. Okay, and click on this. Here, this is the default database backup file name. Dump and date will be there. Okay. So if you want, you can change that backup file name. Okay. And this is the path which that backup file will be stored. Okay. You copy this path and here start export and go to that file. See, this is the backup file. Okay. So this is the database backup. And if you want, you can open and you can see this. What are the tables? So this file will contain all the table structure. So create statement, procedures, so this is the way to back up the database. Here, see this dump structure and data. That means it will, the backup file will contain both structure and data. If we select dump data only, means it will contain only data. If we select structure, means it will contain only structure. Okay, so this is the path. You can give anything path.